Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the assignment of dated 27/8/2020 and junior NEET. Okay. In this assignment, the first one is the pressure of gas does not depend upon. The first one is pressure of gas does not depend upon. It is given four options. Now we have to discuss which one is not dependable thing by the pressure. Okay. The first one, kinetic energy of its molecules, gas molecules. This is a dependable. If we take a container, piston arrangement, certain gas is there, consider. If we raise its temperature by heating, if we raise the temperature of gas molecules by heating, then the gas molecules velocity will increase. If velocity increases, their kinetic energy increases and they push the piston to up. Push means pressure. So kinetic energy is dependable quantity by pressure. So pressure depends on the kinetic energy. Next, temperature of gas. Here we discussed if we raise the temperature, if we increase the temperature of gas molecules, then it will affect the pressure. So temperature also dependable quantity. And next, the density of gas. Third option is density of gas. We have density D equal to rho GH. Density D equal to pressure P equals to rho GH. So pressure depends on rho. Rho is density. Pressure depends on density. So this is also dependable quantity. Next, volume of gas when density remains unchanged. Density means mass by volume. Mass by volume. If density remains constant, then mass and volume need to change relatively. Here volume only specified, mass is not specified here. That's why it is not dependable thing. So the pressure among the four options, the pressure does not depend upon the fourth option. The pressure of gas does not depend upon. The pressure depends on first, second, third, means kinetic energy, temperature and density. But fourth option is not reliable. That's why this is the correct option for the given question. Okay, this is the solution for first question. Next, second. The solution for second is, we need to develop a relation between pressure, density and absolute temperature. Okay. Further, first of all, use ideal gas equation for 1 mole. PV equal to RT. But density we have mass by volume. From this, volume equals to mass by density. So here V can be replaced by M by D. So in place of V, we can write M by D. So by simplify this, P by dt equal to R by M. R is a gas constant, we know. M is molar mass. M is molar mass. M is molar mass. Molar mass is constant for a given gas. Okay? Both are constant. That's why P by dt is constant. So for two gases, it can be written as P1 by D1 T1 equal to P2 by D2 T2. This is given as option 1. That's why the correct answer for second question is option 1. Okay. Next, question number 3. Question number 3. You know very well, this assignment is junior NEET of which date? 27/8/2020. Third question. In this question, it is given that 4 molecules having the velocities V1, V2, V3, V4, 1, 3, 5, 7 meter by second. What we have to find? We have to find the difference of RMS speed and average speed. So it's very easy. For average velocity, we have 4 velocities. So the sum of 4 velocities divided by 4. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 by 4, that's 16 by 4, that is 4 meter by second. This is the average velocity of given 4 gas molecules. Next, coming to RMS speed, the expression for RMS speed for 4 given velocities is square root v1 square plus v2 square plus v3 square plus v4 square by 4. So, as per given values, 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus 7 square by 4. By simplifying, we get 4.582 meter by second. Okay. Now the difference between RMS speed and average speed, Vrms minus Vaverage, 4.582 minus 4. So that is 0.582. It's approximately equal to 0.583. In that assignment, option 3 is 0.583. Maybe it is wrongly given 0.583. So the correct option is option 3. Correct option is third one. So this is the explanation for third question. Let me shift to fourth question. In this question, we need to find the gas what it is under the given conditions. At the room temperature, the RMS speed is given. At the room temperature, the RMS speed of that gas is given. With that information, we have to find what is that particular gas. For that, we need this equation. Vrm is equal to root 3 RT by M. We know R is universal gas constant, T absolute temperature, M molar mass. By using this equation, how we will find the gas is, first of all, we will find the molar mass of the gas. Okay, depending upon the molar mass, we can conclude that what gas it is. We can conclude what gas it is. Okay, so extract M from this equation. M equal to 3 RT by Vrm square. And we know the value of R, 8.31 joule per Kelvin, absolute temperature T, 273 Kelvin, and Vrms given in the problem, that is 1920 meter by second. All these values plug in this equation. So 3 R, 8.31, T, 273, Vrms 1920 square. So by simplifying this, we will get 0.002 kg. 0.002 kg. Now let me change kg into grams. 1 kg is 1000 grams. So 0.002 into 1000 means 2 grams. 2 grams is the molar mass of hydrogen. 2 grams is the molar mass of hydrogen. So we conclude that the unknown gas is hydrogen. That hydrogen is given in as option 1. That's why option 1 is the correct one. Got it? Next, in this assignment, Junior NEET 27th August dated assignment, coming to 5th question is, in that question, we have given 5 gas molecules of different velocities 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 meter by second. As per the given options, what we have to do is, first we need to calculate average velocity, later RMS velocity, and then we have to compare which one is greater than which one. Okay, as a point, average velocity. For given 5 velocities, the average velocity formula is v1 plus v2 plus v3 plus v4 plus v5 by 5. So 500 plus 600 plus 700, 800, 900 given values by 5 gives 700 meter by second. Next, coming to VRMS, root over v1 square plus v2 square plus v3 square plus v4 square plus v5 square by 5. By substituting the values, we will get 714 meter by second. So V average, how much we got? 700. VRMS, how much we get? 714. Means VRMS is greater than V average. How much? 14. So VRMS is 14 meters by second higher than V average. It is given in the option 2. So the correct option is 2. This is the solution for 5th one. Next, we will shift to next question 6. In this question, we have to find the RMS speed of given gas at room temperature. Okay, so for this, from kinetic theory of gas, we have the kinetic energy as half mvRm square, that equal to 3 by 2 kBT. By simplifying this equation, half get cancelled, mvRm square equal to 3 kBT. From this equation, extract VRMS. So VRMS equal to 3 kT by m and square root, square root. So by substituting the values, kV it is given Boltzmann's constant 1.38 into 10 power minus 23, and absolute temperature 273, and molar mass it is given in the problem as 5 into 10 power minus 17. By simplifying this, we will get 0.015 meter by second. 1 meter we know 1000 centimeter. So 0.015 into 100. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. That's why 0.015 into 100 centimeter equal to 1.5 centimeter by second. 1.5 centimeter by second. This is given in option 1. That's why the correct option for 6 is option 1. Okay? Got it? Okay. Now, the last question, 7th one. This is similar to the 6th one, just a numerical change. In 6th one, it is given that m equal to 5 into 10 power minus 7 kg. Instead of that, in this problem, it is given by 15 into 10 power minus 7 kg. So, according to kinetic theory of gases, kinetic energy is given by half mvRm square equal to 3 by 2 kBT. By simplifying this, we will get the expression for VRMS as root over 3 kT by m. 3 we know, k value is given, T value absolute temperature 273, m value is given as 15 into 10 power minus 7. By simplifying we get 0.008 meter by second, but the options are in centimeter by second. So by multiplying with 100, the meter can change into centimeter. So by multiplying with 100, 0.008 becomes 0.8 centimeter by second. This is given in option 4. So the correct answer for 7th question is option 4. Okay, this is the today's assignment, and these are the solutions for today's 7 questions. Okay, thank you.